I was just thinking earlier today about how we self-sabotage, and it reminded me of a time when I was doing hypnotherapy with a lady on smoking. Now, she'd come along and her friend had sent her to come and see me. That's always not a good sign, really. And she spent all the session that we were doing on trying to prove that hypnotherapy didn't work. And she was doing that because she wanted to go back to her friend and actually prove to her that hypnotherapy didn't work. So she wasted my time and her time as well. And we often do that kind of thing to ourselves, you know. We sabotage ourselves and also stop ourselves then from actually achieving goals that might be important. You know, relationship issues might not be dealt with because of what's happened to us in the past. We may have some conditioning. Well, there's many other different aspects as well. So we really need to address our own self-sabotage, which can come from the unconscious mind as well. It's a bit windy here, so I better get in the car. So I'm inside the car now because it is a bit windy out there. But just to say that self-sabotage, it's a huge subject. And because our unconscious mind actually runs 90% of what we do, there could be all kinds of things going on there. Conditioning from the past, beliefs, perception. The list is endless. But the main point, like I said earlier on, is it can affect your life. It can stop you from being successful in many ways. And you could be just repeating behaviors which are negative and that will basically destroy your life, your relationship, and so on and so forth. So I've actually written an article and I put a link down below, and that's on my Patreon channel. And just a reminder that in Patreon, I've got lots of free material, including how to sleep better and all those important things that you really need to know if you want to improve this thing up here, also your health as well, and just really have a more successful and productive life. That's it for now. Click this next video here if you'd like to learn more.